I just told me, yeah, we gon' be straight. He saw me make $1 million off one damn play.
What it do, guys? I am back with another banger, and today you guys know the deal. We're gonna go over my $7,000 Robinhood portfolio. Okay, guys, so we're 6 months into the year. Not 6 months, we're in our 7th month now. Okay, guys, which is crazy. I started this in January 2021. So, you guys can kind of see how far I've come along. All right, make sure to go watch those videos. I have a video update for almost about each month, so make sure to go check that out. And we're trying to build wealth here, guys. We're trying to make that money without having to actually work for it. Okay, guys, we're just investing. We're investing like crazy, trying to make as much money as we can so we can invest it and have that money grow. Okay, guys, so I'm going to pull up my Robinhood portfolio, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know where your portfolios are at right now. Okay, I have a lot of holdings, and if you see some that you have, make sure to comment that you have that same stock down below. All right, guys, I got a bunch of different stocks in my portfolio, so I hope you guys enjoy. But let's get straight to it, okay? We're at $7,450.37. All right, it's moving around right now because I have some crypto in my portfolio, but let's get straight into it, okay? So I'm up for the day, and I'm up about 60 bucks, and that's almost 1%. All right, guys, not bad for a green day, not bad. The portfolio's been looking good for the past couple weeks. So for the past week, I'm up over $200. I'm up $218, and that's about 3%. Pretty good, guys. Pretty good. I'm telling you, the account is bouncing back. I'm only down in a couple positions. We'll get into that, but man, I'm finally bouncing back on this portfolio vid. All right, this portfolio, right? Okay, so for the past month, I'm up $417 for almost 6%. That's good. And for the past 3 months, I'm up $414, and that's almost 6% as well, right? So we're down for a while, but we're finally bouncing back. Okay, guys, we're finally bouncing back. I have $900 in the buying power, and what I'm doing with that is I was initially using it to trade, right? I would get a short-term position, and I would just trade it out, trade here and there. But what I've been doing with that extra cash, instead of just having it sit there, what I've been doing is investing into my positions either weekly or daily. I'll do $5 a day, $10 a day, or $10 a week on certain positions, certain plays that I'm in. And I'm doing that so that I don't get lost in the sauce, right? You don't want to dump a whole bunch of money at once and then just let it sit. Sometimes you could do that, but I felt that it would be best if I capture, some of the stocks that I'm in, right? You might never see these prices again, or, you just don't want to miss out on the price. I kind of want to go more into dollar cost averaging, guys. This is what I have felt is the best way to go about it, because you get to catch these stocks at all prices when you do it like that, okay? You don't want to get caught buying at the top, and it's kind of hard to catch the bottom. So dollar cost averaging is a great way to go about that. Let's hop to the first position. You guys know the deal. Let me actually change this to total return. And so let's start with AT&T. You guys know the deal. That's the dividend play that I have. AT&T is currently sitting at $29.23, which is pretty high. Still, I got it at a great price. My average cost is 27 bucks, and I'm up 8% on this play, but that doesn't really matter because it's just a dividend play. And for a while, I just dumped money in here and then, was just not cashing out, but letting the dividends reinvest. But I started adding more money into this play. So I think I've been doing, I've been doing $10 weekly into this one, just so that those dividends can increase. You want more passive income, right? And what I realized is the goal isn't just to have more income coming in. It's you want more passive income coming in, more money that you have working for you, more money that you have coming into your presence without you having to do a thing, right? So that's what you want, right? Another thing, when we think of retirement, we think of a dollar amount. I just heard this in a live. When you think of retirement, we often think of a dollar amount or an age when we could do it. But it should be when our investments and that passive income can fund the way we want to live our lives. So that's the way you should be thinking about retirement and things of that sort, all right? So that was a little tangent, but I have 22 shares of AT&T. I went heavy on this, and I need to add more just to get more of that passive income, like I said. So this is almost 10% of my portfolio, but let's hop into the next one, all right, guys? Let's see what we got. Apple is sitting at, they had a good week this week, actually. I've been watching it. They're up to $139.89. Pretty good. Let's look how they're doing for the week. For the week, they're up almost 5% for $6.47. Pretty good. I have, this is my largest holding, I think. This is my largest holding. One of my favorite stocks, actually, one of my favorite companies, I should say. I love Apple products, so I've been going crazy on Apple because they owe me some money, right? The products are great. The company is great. But the only thing I'm worried about, not really worried about, is seeing how much growth we're going to get from Apple, okay? So they did a stock split last year, but how much growth are they really going to have? It might be some steady growth that we see, but it's probably not going to be crazy growth. But I still like this stock. It's foundational, and this is how I want to start my portfolio off, with solid companies that I know is going to, make that money grow that I'm investing. So we're good to go on that. So I have almost 9 shares of Apple. I've been investing $10 daily on this one because I wanted to stack it up. I was down a little bit on this play, but I'm finally bounced back and I'm up 5%. All right. I have an average cost of 132, still kind of high, but hopefully this stock keeps running up. This is almost 20% of my portfolio. I'm at 19% of the portfolio with this one of my largest positions, and we'll see what it does, guys. So let's hop into the next one. The next one is Neo, right? So Neo had an okay week. Let's check it out. I'm going to do an update on this stock, so make sure you stay tuned for that video, but let's actually see how it's been doing, okay? So we're down for the day with Neo. They're at $50.24. Let's see for the week. For the week, they're still up almost 10%. So they did have a good week, but they did come back down a little bit for those past couple of days, I believe. So Neo had a great week. I have 11.6 shares of Neo. Average cost $52.36. I'm still down 4%, but we were down way worse with this play. So I'm finally glad to see that it's bouncing back. And this is almost 9% of the portfolio, okay? Looking good. This is one of my AV plays, and you'll see the next one on the next, stock that we talk about. We got Tesla. It seems like Tesla's finally coming back as well. What I see with this is that, okay, let's see. About break even for the day, including after hours. For the week, they're up. For the week, they're about break even. But Tesla has come back, and I'm hoping that they do great things, okay? What happens is, last year, I remember Tesla was popping off every couple months, guys. They would run up hundreds of dollars, and it was just crazy to see Tesla run. All right, so hopefully we get a glimpse of that this year, but it seems like, they've just been chilling, kind of lagging a little bit. So that's why I'm investing $10 daily on this stock, because when it does pump, we're going to be happy that we invested like this, okay? I'm telling you, I have 1.6 shares of this stock, 17% of the portfolio, and I'm down 12% still on this stock, right? That's another reason why I wanted to invest daily, because it'll bring down that average cost, and I'll be eating once the stock runs up. We're going to go crazy with this one, all right? Tesla's a banger. We already know that. But they kind of been sleeping for a while, okay? Let me know what you guys think down below, but they've been sleeping for a while. Let's hop to the next one. Facebook is a banger. Okay, so when you build your portfolio, like, what happens is you'll have a bunch of stocks, you'll have your favorites, but your favorites won't even be the ones that make you the most money, right? It will be the ones that, you're not really thinking about. You put money in there, but you're not really looking at them all the time. Facebook is a stock that people sleep on, but, they're really killing it. They're one of the tech stocks that are killing it. Even when tech was having like a bad run, you guys saw that the past few months, or the previous months. But Facebook was still killing it. They're at $354.70, and they're looking very good, guys. Let's see, for the past week, they're up almost 3.5%, $12. They had a good run. I did a Facebook video update on this too. So make sure you go check that video out just so you know why they had a huge run. But man, they've been going crazy. For the past month, they're up 7%. And that's $24. Pretty good. And I only have 2.5 shares of this stock, man. And I'm up $215 on this from just 2 shares. 2.5 shares. Crazy. I'm up 30%, 32% on this play. This is 13% of the portfolio. And I am investing $10 weekly on this one. Okay, guys. So I decided to do $10 daily on some stocks, $10 weekly on the others. Let's hop to the next stock, man. This one was a banger right here, though. Simon Property Group. This is another one that, one of my biggest yielders. Let's see how they've been doing for the week. Down about 1% for the week. Not bad. Down 3.6% for the past month. But this is a dividend play, and it pays pretty good. And I caught it on a heavy discount, right? So average cost is $85. But that's because I've been investing weekly with this one. Yeah, weekly with this one. I gained over 50% on this play, man. That's up $116, and I only have 2.6 shares. So see, Facebook only had 2.5 shares. This one I have 2.5 shares. And man, they just been killing it. Let's hop into the next one. So Microsoft. Let's hop into Microsoft, see what they're doing. Microsoft has been doing pretty good too, right? So, not even my favorites, right? My favorites are Apple and Tesla, but Facebook, Microsoft, SPG, they've been doing their thing. So Microsoft is sitting at $277.80, and they're up, let's see, for the month, over 11% for the month, almost 12%. And that's almost $30 for the month. Looking pretty good. Microsoft is killing it. I only have a little over a share of this one, and I'm up $41. That's 14%. And this is about 4.84% of the portfolio, guys. We're looking very good. And I'm doing $10 weekly into this play. Let's hop into the next one. We got Facebook. I don't know why it just starts to show the same stocks, but let's hop into the next one. Let's see. We got Amazon. Amazon is looking good. Amazon is finally coming back. Let's see. For the month, they're up almost 9%, and that is $287 for the month, right? This is a hefty stock. They're at $3,511.05. And they're finally bouncing back, guys. But let's look at this year chart. I've been looking at the year chart, and man, it's been consolidating, right? Amazon really has more growth to come, and they're going to be killing it, right? When you think about investing, you should be thinking about years down the line. So years down the line, these stocks are going to be giving us a lot of returns, a lot, okay? Expect a lot from the stocks that you hold. Your money is going to go a long way. That's why everyone should be investing money right now. I have 1.99 shares of the stock. This is about 10% of the portfolio, and I'm up almost 10% on this play. So we're looking very good on this one. Let's see what we got next. Plug is another stock update that I'm going to give you guys. So be prepared for that video. I got this as a free stock, and it was a banger. But the stock price got slashed in half. So I'm like, all right, this is probably an opportunity. So I'm going to test the thesis and see what happens, right? So I've been investing $5 daily on this one just to get a better position. I have a couple other stocks that I'm doing that on. We'll hop into that. But we're gonna see what happens with this stock. I have 1.7 shares. One of the shares of those was a free stock, and we're gonna see what happens with it. All right. I'm waiting for it to double. Hopefully we get a double up on that one. Then we have some free stocks in there, and then we have 2 value plays I wanted to hop in. Value plays and value investing is just when you find undervalued stocks and you try to double your money with that, right? Or not even double your money. You just see an opportunity there. You see where the stock should be. You see that it's undervalued. You put your money in there and watch it grow. So I have Cinemark, kind of a movie theater play, avoiding the AMC stuff. You want to go against the crowd and see what happens, right? You don't want to always chase AMC, all right? AMC already had its run. It might run up more, but you never know. And you want to make your own choices. You don't want to follow the crowd and do what everyone else does. So, we'll see what happens with that. So yeah, I invested into Cinemark. I've been doing $5 a day, and the position has been building out pretty well. I'm at 5.5 shares of this stock, down 4%, but that's not much because it's only $5 loss for now. And I'm hoping that it's going to get to a certain point. So we'll see what happens with it. All right, guys. Let's hop to the next value play that I have. Delta Airlines. I know I'm late on this, guys. Don't clown me on that, but we'll see what happens. All right. So I'm at the stock's at $44.20. I have 2.7 shares of this, and I see a little bit of growth that can happen with it. Same with Cinemark. This one looks like it has some more growth. I'm gonna wait it out, cash in when I see that happen. Right. Flipping money on this side just to see what happens with it. Okay. Then, so average cost $45. I'm thinking that this one was supposed to go to the $60 point. Once I get there, I'll probably cash out and throw it into something else. Go throw the profits into something else. Then let's see, the total return on this down 2%. Not bad, but you guys know the deal. We're gonna double up on the money with that, right, guys? So we're putting money in stocks that we're gonna, cash out in, and we're repeating the cycle, right? Just have that money working for us. Then I have some crypto. I'm down on all my crypto. Ethereum is performing the best as of right now. Let me see. I'm only down 11% on Ethereum. Let's see what else. I need to set up a schedule where I can just invest weekly on this because crypto is down right now, but we want to catch that next pop. Dogecoin, I'm probably down bad. 35% on Dogecoin, down that much. And Bitcoin, I am down 20%. So with these, Ethereum and Bitcoin, those are long-term plays for me, okay? I see a lot of long-term potential with that. And Dogecoin is kind of like a trading, kind of like a swing trade with crypto for me. That's how I'm seeing it. Dogecoin may hit $1. I don't know. If it has enough, hype around it, then it may pop. But we'll see what happens. It hasn't popped in a while. Crypto has been kind of sleeping for a bit. So we'll see when it wakes up. With crypto, it's kind of hard to tell what's going to happen. I know that Bitcoin and Ethereum are pretty solid and foundational. And Dogecoin, you can't really base anything behind it. It's just hype, right? So that's how I feel about that. And that's basically it for the portfolio, guys. I'm going to have some stock videos coming up for you guys. So make sure you stay tuned for that. If you guys have any of these positions, make sure to comment it down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like this video up and share it, guys, because we are going to go crazy on this channel. I need to start uploading way more. So if you guys comment, then, I have to make it happen. I have to make it happen. So what we're going to do is I'm going to see you guys in the next video. We're going to pop it off, and I'll see you guys in the next one, all right? So let's get it, and let's go.
I just told me, yeah, we gon' be straight. He saw me make $1 million off one damn play.